Hi, welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. So for that, you need to log into your YouTube account. Just open your channel and just click Customize Channel. In the Customize Channel left-hand side, if you scroll down, there is an option called an audio library. Click on it. So once you click that audio library, there is a bunch of royalty-free music here. So you can play here this audio. Let's say you can play and hear the sound here. Then if you are satisfied with this music, then you can just click the download button. Then it's downloaded onto your PC. So likewise, you can able to play and download the music for your videos. So what is the next place you can able to get free music? So the next place is to go to vidtechy.com. Vidtechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up Vidtechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. Then it's free to start a YouTube marketing tool. Just log in with your Vidtechy account. Then the menu just scrolls down and clicks the audio library. So once you click the audio library, so from here, you can be able to get royalty-free music, completely free. So let's say if you want to play this, then just click the play button. Then you can be able to play music here. If you satisfy with that, you can able to download this. So likewise, you can able to get free music for your YouTube videos. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.